Idea behind Aluprof Partner Day was to bring people together and create a platform to actually explore opportunities that might come from megatrends and hot topics in the industry and bring them together to our partners.
It was really important when we were actually presenting our new innovations and our new products that we tried to align them with the most interesting and important topics of the industry. So today we focused on sustainability, and we talked about our low carbon offer from a both embedded carbon point of view but also operational carbon point of view. I think that was well received by the audience. And then the other megatrend that we talked about was the Building Safety Act and how we wanted to align with that with regards to compliance and also helping our partners to show their competence. And then finally, given that background, we then presented all of our new systems in our beautiful new showroom here in Altrincham.
Today's event has been great. It's really helped promote Passive House to the right audience. It's been helping to really show how easy it is to do, what the benefits are, helping promote that. It's been really useful.
Key takeaways for today is actually about sustainability of the material which we work with. So aluminium can be recycled. We can use much less energy in a recycling process, which means we can reduce emissions. We can save water, we can save air pollution. So this is very crucial features of the aluminium, which is giving the positive impact into the changes which are ahead.
Aluprof UK Partner Day, the value that it brings to the stakeholders in the industry is that it shows the innovation that we have as a systems house. How many systems that we can bring, we can place onto the market, and the achievements that we can do together. Not only that, we are showcasing brand new products that are onto the market and how we can support each individual stakeholder from start to finish to ensure that not only we get compliance, but we also make sure that it's an effective solution that works for the building and achieves the standards set out.